In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export PDF, PowerPoint, Word, and Excel files on Canva. Whether you're looking to transform your documents into editable designs or save your work as a locked PDF, this tutorial will guide you step by step through the entire process. Canva is a powerful tool for creating, editing, and sharing designs, and knowing how to work with these file types can really expand your creative possibilities. Let's get started. If you don't already have a Canva account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. First, head over to the Canva dashboard. This is your starting point for creating and managing all your designs. Once you're there, click on the Create button. This opens up a menu of options for starting new projects from here. Select Upload. Now let's begin with importing an Excel file. Find the Excel file saved on your computer and select it. Canva will immediately start uploading the file and preparing it for editing. This process allows Canva to convert your spreadsheet into a format that you can work with directly in the platform. Keep in mind that larger spreadsheets might take a few extra seconds to upload, so be patient if you don't see it appear right away. Once the upload is complete, make sure your file shows up in the Uploads panel. When you see it there, click on the file to open it. At this point, Canva will convert the spreadsheet pages into editable design layouts, making it easy for you to customize the content. Next, let's move on to importing Word documents, just like before. Start by clicking the Create button and then select Upload. Locate your Word file on your computer and select it. Once the upload begins, give it a moment to process. When the upload is complete, click on the file to open it. Canva will now turn your document into an editable design. This means you can tweak the text, change the font style, and even add visuals or other creative elements to enhance your document's appearance. Now let's talk about importing PDF files. Back on the Canva dashboard, click the Create button once again and select Upload. Find the PDF file on your computer and upload it. Canva will take a moment to process the file, so don't worry if it takes a little longer for larger PDFs. Once the processing is finished, Canva will separate the pages of your PDF and convert them into editable layouts. This is a great way to make changes to an existing PDF without needing additional software. Next up, we'll import PowerPoint files. Just like before, click the Create button and select Upload. Then locate the PowerPoint file on your computer and upload it to Canva. Once the upload is complete, click on the file to open it. Canva will transform each slide from your PowerPoint presentation into its own editable design page. This makes it simple to adjust elements, update information, or completely redesign your presentation. Finally, let's wrap up with how to export your work as a flattened PDF. Once you've completed your edits and are ready to save your project, look for the Share button in the top right corner of the Canva interface. Click on it, and from the menu, choose the PDF standard option. Before downloading, make sure to check the flattened PDF setting. This ensures that all text and images are locked in place, preventing accidental edits after you've shared the file. Flattening is especially useful when you're creating final versions for clients or public distribution. Once everything is set, click Download. Now, depending on the size of your project, the download may take a few seconds to process, so just hang tight. And that's how you can import Excel, Word, PDF, and PowerPoint files into Canva for editing and export your projects as flattened PDFs. By following these steps, you'll be able to make the most out of Canva's versatile tools and streamline your design workflow. If you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.